Now that you've added the central and impact character to your story blueprint, it is time for the final layer, the independent expert. Think of the expert as your ultimate safeguard against corporate marketing and public relations hype. The central character gives you the vision, and the impact character gives you the emotion, but the expert gives you unvarnished truth and objective context.
The digital economy in Africa is rapidly evolving, but royalties from global samplers are a significant issue.
Before you pick up a camera or book an interview, you must verify that your expert is truly objective. You need to vet their credentials. Your expert must be an African researcher, academic, analyst, or industry professional with absolutely zero financial ties or personal connection to the African AI company or product you are profiling. Ensure their expertise directly aligns with the specific problem. If the AI tool handles agricultural logistics, your expert should be an African agronomist or a supply chain economist, not a generic tech blogger. Just like with your previous characters, a quick phone call or a brief exchange of text messages beforehand will help you outline the broader reality of the sector. Your background notes on the expert could add these vital elements to your story. When it is time for the formal interview, keep your session concise, sharp, and highly authoritative. You can conduct this interview in their office, a university campus, as long as the background is quiet and professional. Here are 3 key questions that will get the expert to evaluate the scale, design, and guardrails of the technology. When it comes to your video sequences, photos, and dedicated phone audio, the production rules remain exactly the same as they were for your previous characters. Refer back to your blueprint checklist from the central character video to lock in those steps. You still need to film sequences capturing wide, medium, and close-up shots of the expert in their environment. Authentic, natural, unposed photos are still required, and capturing 3 dedicated audio tracks is still required. The only difference here is your setting. Instead of a busy market or a startup lab, you are capturing a professional, academic, or corporate space. You must still record your 1 minute of silent room tone and your close-up interface audio, like the ambient sound of books shifting, papers turning, or a pen writing, to keep your audio layers clean and layered. By locking in your independent expert, your blueprint is finally complete. Next up is the final lesson of this module. You're going to build your second custom AI assistant, the pre-production story coach. Think of it as a digital story structural engineer to help you draw up or stress test your blueprint, which is the plan for producing the best possible African AI story for your audience to enjoy.